The national capital woke up this morning to gusty winds and thunderstorms battered Delhi NCR early this morning, bringing respite from sweltering heat, of course, but waterlogging can be seen in several areas. The change in weather had come as the weather department had issued a red alert yesterday in the region. The IMD had earlier said that a red alert for Delhi and nearby areas, warning of strong thunderstorms, rain and high-speed winds was given as well. The weather department also urged residents to take necessary precautions. People are advised to avoid open spaces and not to take shelter under trees. They've also been asked to avoid weak walls or unstable structures and stay away from water bodies as well. We have, in fact, more details of airlines being affected and their operations being affected as far as bad weather in national capital is concerned. My colleague Tanushka joins us with more details. Tanushka, take us to the latest from Delhi NCR. We are seeing waterlogging in several areas after heavy rain was seen last night and early this morning as well. We're learning that some flight operations have been affected.
Aarti, first off, let me show you these visuals behind me. We're at ITO. This is the main stretch of ITO, which gets, deeply waterlogged every single year. Come monsoon, and this part of Delhi is, partly submerged. If I go into the water further ahead, through the visuals that we're showing you, it would be knee-deep water that we're talking about. As you can see the visuals on your screens right now, all of these cars are splashing through this water that has accumulated on this stretch at ITO. Other regions, other areas that are seeing waterlogging at this point are that of Minto Bridge area, Humayunpur Road, Shastri Bhavan as well, and even the airport. The airport premises are also seeing waterlogging. The airport underpass particularly is also seeing waterlogging, and this is naturally after the thunderstorm that happened earlier in the morning and in the night as well, and the Met Department had already issued a red alert for this thunderstorm happening in Delhi and in NCR as well. And what we do know about this is that there were gusty winds, heavy rains lashed the capital, which of course has led to this sort of an aftermath. There is a water pump that is at work out here, that is pumping out the water at the moment. This is again something that happens every single year come monsoons, and this is what happens in most areas of Delhi. The wind speed of this thunderstorm was reaching up to 100 kilometers per hour, and of course the rains were very severe to lead to this sort of a condition in not just ITO but different parts of Delhi and even Gurugram, since this thunderstorm also lashed parts of Haryana as well. Gurugram has also been completely submerged. We know in our extensive reportage on weather and such sort of waterlogging that within 15 to 20 minutes of rainfall, Gurugram also seems to get completely waterlogged. So that is the scenario out there as well. So far as flights are concerned, there is an average delay of 47 minutes for departures flights at the Delhi airport. We do know from the airlines, specifically speaking about Air India and SpiceJet, that they have issued advisories and have said that due to the adverse weather conditions, their flight operations remain affected. Indigo is the only airlines that has come out with its recent advisory, in which it has said that they are resuming normal flight operations now since the skies are clearing.
Thank you, Tanushka, for joining us and bringing us those details from the ground. Continue tracking this story for us.